In this video, we're going to take a look at the project dashboard for an individual project. This is you could consider this the home page of a project that is currently running in COS. On this page, it's going to give you an overview of project details. So for instance, up here at the top, we've got a lot of different information, starting with the project number or PO number, as well as the project name. Then below that, we have some basic information about the list and the goals, total universe, and that's broken out in land and cell counts. Number of contacts, the saturation percentage, again broken out between land and cell records, how many total completes the project has obtained, and then what the overall goal is. And in this case, it's a saturation goal, so 70% saturation. And then over here, we can see our total goal progress. Now, underneath all of that information in this blue box is some general information about the project. You know, what dates it's running, how many questions it has, how many days are left, what status is it currently in, who the manager of the project is, typically the person who created the project, the state that it's dialing in, the caller ID that's currently being used, as well as any kind of notes or tickets can be accessed in this little blue bar right here on the project dashboard. Now below all that is a disposition breakdown, both with a pie chart that shows the percentage breakdowns of each status disposition for every call made. So, you know, what percentage, how many completes were made, you know, how many calls were coded as a language barrier or a wrong number or no answer, answering machine. That information is all displayed right here on the left side of the screen. And you can set a specific date range in order to see a particular day to access that information. You can also sort out by land and cell phones. So if you want to see, you know, what the status disposition breakdown was for landlines, specifically on the 26th, that information is right there available to you. You can also email, you can download this information directly to your device. You can also generate links in an email format via permalink or in a PNG format, and you could email these data results or these reports directly off of COS. To the right of the disposition breakdown is a map of the United States, and what this does is it highlights in which states these records are listed based on the prefix area code. So for this particular project, all of the records are located in Virginia, but if it was a multi-state project, then, you know, different states might be highlighted. And you can see there are a few, you know, other records in some states, but, you know, the amount is so minuscule compared to the overall list. You know, the vast majority are in Virginia. Everywhere else only has a handful, so they're not really highlighted as much. Finally, from this page, you can navigate to anywhere within a project that you would need to make any kind of updates or view even more specific information. So on the left side of the project dashboard, and this little menu screen right here is available on every screen within a COS project. But from here, you know, you can navigate to general information. You can see the status codes. You can update the goals. You can upload appended data or new campaign data. You can view the data. You can access your scrubbing functions here, downloading the data, You can access the script from this page, as well as several other functions that let you navigate to different parts of the COS project.